More than 6 million people have been diagnosed with the coronavirus in the United States, a number that can truly be hard to visualize. But one group in Washington is looking to do just that, visually representing COVID-19's impact on Americans. Cronkite News reporter Tina Giuliano has the story from our Washington bureau.
A group of advocates planted 20,000 flags on the National Mall today in honor of those Americans who died from COVID-19. But to get the true toll of the pandemic, you have to multiply each of these flags by 10. That's because the number of people killed by COVID-19 in the U.S. passed 200,000 this week, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. Carmen Wilkie, one of the volunteers who helped organize this memorial, says they hope to show that these lives are more than just a statistic.
They got together about 20,000 flags and got some people involved to come and put them out today just as a memorial service to those who have died.
She and a group of friends disgruntled with the Trump administration's handling of the pandemic were spurred to organize the COVID-19 Memorial Project.
I think we haven't really had an opportunity to mourn as a country for all that we've lost.
Arizona Representative Tom O'Halloran visited the memorial today, placing a few flags and offering a silent prayer as he looked at the field.
A number is just a number. This is a visual representation of just how many lives we've lost.
O'Halloran's sprawling district includes a number of tribal communities that he says have struggled with the spread of the virus.
My district got hit, whether it's Navajo, Hopi, Havasupai, White Mountain Apache, every tribe in my district got hit from this virus.
A brief morning memorial service included remarks by interfaith leaders as well as a speech by House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, who called for political action starting in the voting booth.
It is a time for us to crush the virus, not crush the Affordable Care Act.
Wilkie said that in a time of isolation and social distancing, it may be harder to come together to grieve and support one another, but it's also more important than ever.
I hope that people do, take from this just a moment to remember and realize that we are together and that we can't just forget about those who have died.
The flags will continue to be up until Wednesday evening. In Washington, Tina Giuliano, Cronkite News.
The amount of deaths caused by coronavirus continues to rise across the U.S. and here in Arizona. Just under 5,500 of those deaths have occurred in our state, including 20 deaths reported today alone. That's according to the latest numbers from the Arizona Department of Health Services. The department is also reporting almost 215,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases in Arizona.